interested in is our plastics, and through different projects like our plastic analysis with the plastic trawl, I have been able to see how they collect their plastics here, and then the analysis afterwards.
The internship has been enlightening in a number of different levels, both personally and scientifically. I feel like I've become a lot more confident in my fieldwork, and I've also learned various methods that I hadn't learned before.
I'm trying to figure out if there's a significant difference in parasitic loads, so prevalence, abundance, and intensity of parasites, ectoparasites living outside of the body of the sharks.
The university I went to mainly just kind of dealt with the smaller guys and our tidal things. We didn't really have the opportunity to go out on a boat and work with any shark species, do any kind of really fishing or anything like that. So for me, getting that background and getting that experience actually really made me realize that that's what I want to do. That's what I'd like to study. So for me, just being able to have this huge different diversity of something that I wasn't able to do at my university is probably the most that I got out of it.
Everything that is being done here is so interesting and exciting, and it all has a meaning.
We have beautiful systems in place that have been developed and refined over the years. Our project running covers all the spectrums that is needed for conservation. We're covering the commercial fishing aspect, we're covering the outreach programs, we're covering the pollution side of things, we're covering our long-term monitoring data, and now as well our recreational fishing aspect as well.